Welcome back to AUSTINNESS TV. This is episode 1 of my how-to series, and today we're going to be learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
That's a vibe. She wanna vibe.
Almost done here. I almost have the white cross. I know there's a trick to doing this. Oh my gosh. Yes! Cross! Look at that! That only took me about 40 minutes. And now I don't know what to do once you have the white cross. So now you go onto the Rubik's Cube website and you look how to solve it. So I'm looking it up online to see how to do this on the Rubik's Cube website.
The white cross.
Wait.
Keep your cool.
Mine doesn't look the same.
This bit is down to you to work out. But here goes with some helpful tips.
This is what you do when you can't figure it out. So I hope that helped you guys with solving a Rubik's Cube, because it didn't help me. And if you would like to see the last video, which is pretty cool, click over here, my first time driving, and click down here to subscribe and turn on those post notifications, because you don't know when I'm gonna post. It's a mystery.